Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am here at home in my office, which I happily call Pumpkin's Palace. Long story to that, but that's the name of my craft area. And today I thought we would play with Cricut. I'm going to show you how to make some stickers with your Cricut. And with kids going back to school, packing lunches, their backpacks, if you have young kids or even teenagers, sometimes it's just nice to have a little note or a sticker to let somebody know they're not alone, you're still here no matter what. So let's start by coming up with an image, and I will show you some tips and tricks. I just clicked on images. Let me just get out of this so you can see. Click on images, and you come up with all of these, and you can do a search by certain things. The easiest thing that I found when you're doing stickers with print and cut, because it has all the details, but you could just do a black and white, flatten it. But right now we're going to go to Operation Type. Let's go to Print and Cut Image. And I'm going to look for animals because I have 8 grandbabies and they all love different types of animals. So we'll go down here and pick out a couple of them. This little guy's funny. My daughter has a friend that likes cows, so we'll put cows in there. She's not a, my daughter's got a set of twins, so she's adult, married, and has a set of twin boys. So this is for an adult person, but even adults need happies every once in a while. Oh, I have a granddaughter who likes butterflies. We'll choose one more. That little guy, he's cute. Let's see. Oh, everybody likes puppies. Let's do a search up here for puppies. Oh, adorable. Well, that's not that many. Oh, probably because it's just a print cut. But anyway, we'll choose this little one here. Let's add this to the canvas. There we go. So I'm just going to make these a little bit smaller so that we can see them all on the screen. And you can even add some text to some of this. So let's just say smile. We'll put that one on this little guy here. Come up here, we can change the font. If you haven't learned how to bookmark a font, you can come through and you can choose a font that you like, and then just click over here on this where you see this flag right here, and then you'll see them pop up here. There we go. The color's cute, but I think it's going to be cuter if it's a little bit darker. So come up here and click up here beside where it says Basic Cut up here under Operation. And let's make it purple. Let's see here what color is going to... Let me move this over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. It's covered up by the box. There we go. So let's just see what color is going to look cute with that. And you can change it to make it any color you want. Let's just make it purple. The other thing you guys can do, I don't know if you know this or not, but this little advanced button down, this is a little plus sign. You can come up here and choose a different color. This thing just slides around and makes it different colors. The other thing you can do is use your search engine, Google, whatever you use, and put in purple or whatever color you're looking for, color code. And then you can type that number in down here, and it'll pop up the color that you like, that you find. Jot down your favorite colored numbers, and then you can punch them in. And unfortunately, there's not a way to save your favorite colors yet, but hopefully they'll be working on that one day soon. Okay, so we'll do this one. I'm going to come up here and group it together. And then over here, we're going to grab a shape. Grab the circle. You can, pretty much do whatever shape you want. I'm going to change it to a white background, but you can do whatever color background that you think you're going to want. Make it a little smaller. And we're going to arrange and put that to the back. We want that circle to be. There you go. Just line it up. Select both of them, align, and center. And then flatten. And then you make it any size you want. I find a good size for stickers as far as, for putting lunch boxes or whatever, about 2 inches. Okay, we'll put that guy to the back. And we can add text to this one. Oh, it's over here. Hang on a minute. Not sure where to put it. We'll make the screen smaller. Just down here, you can make it whatever size and bring it up. Sometimes, guys, I have no idea why it does some of these things, but that's okay. We can work with that too. I'm not sure if it's my computer glitching or... You can also click over here on the side over here and it'll take you to those things instead of... Okay, you know what? Let's just get rid of that text and start again. There we go. Move that up here a little bit. Oh, you know what? I think I think I was clicking the minus button instead of the plus button. There's some days we all are really smart, including me. So let's see. When you get this, excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. When you get this up here like this, you can click there, and this backspace. And that'll get that text box out of there for you, but it's still here. So let's just put, what are we going to put on here? Let's just do something funny like what? You can add whatever text and put it wherever you want it, change the color. Her favorite color is blue, so let's just make it blue. Oh, you know what? I am going to grab another one. So even though you have this started, it's not going to go anywhere. You can come back to images. And I'm going to see if I can grab a pig. My daughter has gotten to where she likes pigs. So I'm going to see if I can find a cute little pig. That one's adorable. She likes those cute little pigs. Let's do this one here. Add to the canvas. And you see everything over here is still unchanged. So you can always go and add more images as you get ready to. We're going to add text to this one. All right, come on, cooperate. Hit backspace when it's like that. And just put yay on this one. Grab this right here and make it smaller. Her favorite color is purple, so I'm going to come up here and do a purple. Let's put it right here like it's on a shirt or something here. There we go. I don't think I like it there, actually. Let's just put it down here. So we're going to click both of those. And on here, I'm going to click Align. I'm going to hit Align Left. And that will align the text up there. But I don't like the way that looks, so we're going to come up here. Click both of them. We're just going to play around a little bit, guys. And let's align that at the bottom. To see what all these different ones here do. See, align. Center vertically. Some days, guys, it is just fun to sit there and just play with some of these things. But let me quit playing around and come down here and fit this right where. Oh, I didn't even spell it right. Oh, well, I'm going to leave it like that anyway because it's funny. All right, so let's grab these and group it together. We're going to grab this one and group it together. This one I'm not going to put any text on. I'm just going to leave him the way he is. So we're going to come over here. You can grab another circle and change the colors. I'm going to put them all on white backgrounds because it just makes it easier to see all the colors. We're going to send that to the back. And if you have it clicked on the pig or the image instead of the circle, it's going to bring it to the front. So grab, I don't want both of you, grab that and we're going to flatten it. This one here, we're going to group, no, it's already grouped together. So let's do a shape. Let's do something different. Let's do a hexagon. Okay. Bring it up over the cow, arrange, send it to the back. Grab this and you're just going to grab the corner and make it smaller. If it's easier, guys, you can go up here and just put whatever dimension you want on there. I'm going to make them just a little bit bigger. I think I want them a little bit wider, so come up here to the lock and just tap on the lock and you can make it where you can arrange to whatever size you want. There we go. You really can't see that H very well, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup it and I'll bring that down just a little bit. There we go. Grab all of them. Nope, not you. Not ready to give you yet. And then flatten it again. And then this little guy, I'm going to leave her just the way she is. I'm not going to add any text or anything, but let's put her on a heart. And arrange. And because it's the kitten and not that, we're going to bring it to the front. There she is. Center her up in the middle. Align. Center. And there she is. It's perfectly centered. Now let's play with the color of the heart. That kind of looks cute. Guys, I just think I like her on the white one because she just pops a little more. I'm going to make her a little bit bigger though. Click them, align, and center. And flatten that one. And on all of these, I am going to just make about 2 inches. So come up here and click, and I just put the 2 in and it makes it the same size. Make sure they're all about the same size. Yep, they are. Okay, then we're going to click Make It. Now, you can arrange these things a little bit on here. You can, make them different places, different sizes. This can stretch. But let's say you decide I have a whole sheet of paper here and I want to fill it up. Come over here to we see Project Copies and click on it and hit Apply. And automatically, guys, it will do that. But look, let's say we want another one because the page is not filled yet. Let's do it again. See? And it automatically puts them in here. And when you go to cut this, it will cut the circles out. It will print this on here. Now, you can do this a couple of ways. There is printer paper that you can buy, and it's got sticky back. But if you don't want to do this, the back stickers, there's a couple of other things you can do. You can just print it out on regular copy paper and not worry about any sticky back to it, or just use your adhesive to adhere it to, your temporary adhesive to adhere it to their lunch bag or whatever. You can also laminate these things, and that way they'll have them longer periods of time and they won't go. So I hope this helps you guys when you get ready to do different projects. I will be back on again soon, and I will do something else on the Cricut because, guys, there's so many unlimited things you can do with this, and I want to be able to help you out. So if there's anything that you want to learn, if there's any questions, comments, please leave them down in the comments below. I will be back on soon to do another video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do that for me, please. I really want to try to get more people doing more things with their Cricuts and their scrapbooking, their cards, their pictures, and all kinds of different projects that I have planned. So subscribe to the video, share it with your friends, get the word out, and I will talk to you guys. Bye, friends. Bye.